Hello, guys. Welcome back with the second Sudoku. In this additional of today's newspaper of Thursday, February the 18th, 2021. The second Sudoku is a 4 stars Sudoku. Yes, second because I won't do them all, only 4 of them. So the second Sudoku is a 4 star Sudoku number 2, 3, 4, 8. Alright, 2, 3, 4, 8. And I've already counted the printed digits again, 25. Because I do not know. It should be 24. Anyway, we will see how many stars. For really 4 star Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more. If it's a really 4 star Sudoku. Anyway, so let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this big square. So no 1 in those 3 boxes. So the 1 goes there. So what are those 3 missing numbers? 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 4, 6 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 4, 6, 9. 4, 6, 9. Alright. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about the 5 in this row? 5 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1. No 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 4. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes. And there. And then 7 in this row. 7 in the row below. So in the last row. Only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7. No 7 there. Here 7. No 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. Then let me see. How about I'm scanning. So one of these 3 boxes should be a 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Yeah. 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 Let me put some numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. Here 7, no 7 in this box. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Same with the number 1. We have 1 in the last column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. there 1 in the first row, so no 1 in that box, so the 1 goes together with the 7 as a pair. Alright, 3, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. Those other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 3 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Yeah. 2, 4. 9. Alright. 2. Let me see. 4, 6, 9, 4, 6. This should be the 9. Alright. Look, those 3 missing numbers are the 4, 6, 9. 4, 6, 9 are missing. And look, we have a 6 and a 4, 4, 6. So this should be the 9. So the 4 and a 6 should be here. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 9, 9 there. 1, 1. 5. 3 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 2. 8 and 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 3 numbers in this row, 2, 8. Yeah, 8 is one of the missing numbers, an 8 in this row. We see here an 8, no 8 there, here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. In the last column, 2 boxes left, the 9 and the 4. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row, 4 and the 6. 4 and the 6. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this can be 1 anymore. This should be a 1, and this should be a 7. 2 boxes left in this column. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 6. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the 4 and the 6. We have a 4 and a 6 in this row, so no 4 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. We see there's 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes here. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be 2 anymore. This should be the 2. And this should be an 8. 2 boxes left in the second column for the numbers 8 and 3. 8 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and an 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this second row for the numbers 5 and 2. 5 and 2 are missing. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So in the column with 3 in the middle column, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, here 2, no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be there. Then 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. Then 2 numbers left. This row for the numbers 1 and 6. 1 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in the middle row. For the number 7 is missing. Yes, 7 is missing. How about those 2 numbers in the first row? 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9. 4 and the 9. 4 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column B3 in the middle column, the only place for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. No, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 number left in this middle column for the number 7 is missing. Yes, 7 is missing in the middle column. So 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1 and the 8. 1 and the 8. We see here an 8, no 8. 8 should be here and the 1 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. All right, great Sudoku. I like this one. Not really a 4-star Sudoku, because a 4-star Sudoku I really need 30 minutes or more. Well, this one, I think a 1-star, 2 stars Sudoku, but not a 4 stars Sudoku. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will continue in a minute with the other 2 Sudokus. Puzzles, a binary puzzle and a tectonic puzzle. So see you later. Bye bye for now.